Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Valentine's Day chocolate chip cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you just need some kind of chocolate chip cookie dough recipe. I'm just using this Betty Crocker bag, and it says you need a stick of butter and 1 egg. And then I am going to tint mine to this pink color for Valentine's Day. And then I have these Dove Heart chocolates. They're the dark chocolate, and we'll have to unwrap those. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then line a large cookie sheet with parchment paper. Next, you just want to prepare the cookie dough per the back of the package, and then I just added in my pink food coloring and mixed it with an electric mixer and then with a spatula just to really incorporate it all. Scoop your cookies out onto your prepared baking sheet and cook them per your package. Mine says 12 to 14 minutes at 350 degrees. My first batch of cookies is out of the oven. I just let them sit on the cookie sheet for a couple minutes and then added one of my hearts immediately and then moved it to a cooling rack to cool completely. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!